To create a recipe, click on the New Recipe icon. Now, from the Recipe Configuration menu, select the desired cooking mode. Now, we will modify the parameters of temperature, time, turbine speed and microwave power according to the cooking needs. You can add phases to the cooking process by clicking on the Add Phase icon. To edit any of the added phases, click on the Edit icon of the corresponding phase. Now we will configure the recipe in the same way as in the first phase. When you have finished configuring the phase, click on Confirm. To save the recipe configuration, click on the menu icon and on the Save option. Now a keyboard will appear to name the recipe. When we confirm the recipe name, we must classify it in one of the 6 available categories. Now we will assign a recipe image from those available in the internal memory of the oven. If we want to rename the recipe, we must click on the menu icon and on the Rename option. We rewrite the name. If we want to delete the recipe, we must click on the menu icon and on the Delete option. We confirm to delete the recipe from our memory.